right, I'd like for all of you to meet my good friend Artie. This is Artemisia. 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 What, you didn't get it?
No.
You don't? This is my friend Artemisia?
No, I got that. Just kidding.
All right. All right, Artemisia goes by the common names in certain circles as wormwood. It's got a unique smell to it. Okay.
I guess you described it before.
Kind of spicy.
That's different.
Weird. All right, and then also, all right, again another sort of fern-like foliage. Okay. This was what Artemisia. This is one called Powis Castle or Powis Castle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sounds like Kathy.
So look for the blue-green, actually blue-gray foliage. Okay. Again, we know that most of the time that we have a blue-green like foliage, that's because of a heavy dose of pubescence on the leaves, and you can actually again sort of scrape that off. I don't know what you get this confused with. It's got the same color as Dusty Miller, but Dusty Miller is never this dissect. Okay, and it also, Dusty Miller doesn't smell like that. Okay.
Dusty California poppy.
The foliage,
Yeah, there you go.
the foliage looks like a lot of plants, but it's more gray, so
Yeah.
that's why.
He described it as a dusty California poppy. That's actually a good description. Okay, and then you'll notice Adam mentioned that it didn't look like this actually died back, and truthfully, it didn't completely die back. You can tell this is actually from last year, so that came through the winter, and you can tell this portion of the stem died back, and there was probably no foliage on it during the winter. But then there was enough live tissue in there to actually begin to sort of put some new foliage out on the terminal ends. But this gives you an idea. This is sort of like the height that Powis Castle Artemisia gets, and then it begins to sort of spread. And this thing, just in the last 2 weeks, I don't believe it was past this fence. I think the only thing that was past this fence was this dead portion. So I mean, we're talking some pretty good growth. Okay.
They breed along the ground?
You know, I wouldn't be surprised. I don't know it to do that necessarily, but I wouldn't be surprised if it did. All right. And then really blooms and things like that are not showy, not anything to be talking about particularly. You grow this simply for the foliage. So if you want a nice mound of blue-green foliage, Powis Castle Artemisia is a really good choice. Other Artemisias, like there's one called ornamental or oriental limelight. Oriental limelight. It's got yellows and greens that are mixed in. They're very nice. But this is one that's very tough and very vigorous and nice for us. Okay?
Do the other ones get this tall? The other onwards?
I don't know that I've ever seen Oriental limelight this tall. I've seen the other ones, you know, maybe 1.5 feet, 2. Yeah, but this one actually grows as more of almost like a shrub.
That's huge.
Up north, it'll die back, and it just stays a nice little cute little thing.
And here you are in Texas.
Yeah.
All right. Questions on this one?